Check this out, our LightBox sign in action. Off and now on. Time to build it. Here are all the parts. Now we insert the piece called mirror inside the box. This will spread the light evenly all around. Insert the switch into the side slot, click, and it's ready to light up the magic. Here's the LED strip I'll be using. Pick any color you like, but I'm going with red. Time to solder the wires. Cut a few pieces, and it's best to use two colors to easily tell positive from negative. I like to thin the ends of the wires. It makes soldering way easier and cleaner. Measure the length of LED strip you need and cut right at the mark. Time to stick the LED strip in place, nice and steady so it stays firm and neat. Now we are soldering the switch. Of the two wires, we only insert the switch into one, just like I show in the video. Before closing the sign, moment of truth. Let's make sure the entire LED strip works perfectly. Feed the wires through the back hole and close the cover. Make sure everything is neat and secure. Final test. Power it up, and if everything lights and works perfectly, done. It's finished. Now just decide where to place it. I hope you find this really useful and enjoy it. See you in the next video, don't miss it and hit the bell. Cheers!